Skylight Blinds, the key to a comfortable and energy-efficient home. As the days get shorter and the weather gets colder, making sure your home is as comfortable and energy-efficient as possible is essential. One of the best ways to do this is by installing Skylight Blinds. Skylight Blinds help to regulate the amount of sunlight that enters your home, keeping it more relaxed in the summer and warmer in the winter. They also provide an extra layer of insulation, which can help to reduce your energy bills. Skylight Blinds offer the perfect solution for anyone looking to improve their home's comfort and energy efficiency. Not only do they add a touch of style to any room, but they also provide several practical benefits, including energy efficient. Skylight Blinds help to regulate temperatures in your home by blocking out heat in the summer and trapping heat in the winter. By regulating the amount of sunlight that enters your home, Skylight Blinds can help to reduce your energy bills. Comfortable. Skylight Blinds help create a comfortable home environment by keeping it more relaxed in the summer and warmer in the winter. They also provide an extra layer of insulation, which can help to reduce drafts and make your home more comfortable overall. Stylish. Skylight Blinds are available in various styles and colors, so you can use them to complement any decor. They also offer several practical benefits, which make them an ideal choice for any home. Affordable. Skylight Blinds are an affordable way to improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency. They are an excellent investment for anyone looking to make their home more comfortable and energy efficient. Low maintenance. Skylight Blinds are low maintenance and only require occasional cleaning. They are also durable and long-lasting, so you won't have to replace them as often as other types of window treatments. Versatile. Skylight Blinds can be used in any room in your home, including the kitchen, bathroom, and living room. They are also suitable for commercial spaces such as offices and shops. Convenient. Skylight Blinds offer several convenient features such as remote control operation and self-storage. They are also easy to use, so you won't spend time fiddling with complicated controls. Environmentally friendly. Skylight Blinds are an environmentally friendly choice for your home. They are constructed of long-lasting and recyclable materials and can be recycled when they have served their purpose. Reduce glare. When the sun is shining directly into a room through a skylight, it can cause glare that makes it difficult to see. They can help to reduce this glare, making it easier to work or relax in a room with a skylight. Skylight Blinds are a great way to improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency. They are available in various styles and colors, so you can use them to complement any decor. Skylight Blinds are an excellent choice for anyone looking to make their home more comfortable and energy efficient. If you are interested in purchasing Skylight Blinds in Vancouver, please get in touch with us at Civic Blinds. Civic Blinds is Vancouver's leading provider of Skylight Blinds, available in various styles and colors. We also offer other window treatments such as roller blinds, motorized blinds, and many more to meet your needs. Our success depends on our ability to develop cutting-edge, high-quality window covering solutions that thousands of people enjoy. Our goal is to assist our clients in improving their living space's beauty, energy efficiency, and comfort. We'll keep providing new and superior services for a long time. Our clients will continue to experience the best customer service, product quality, and value in the industry. So don't hesitate to contact Civic Blinds today for all your Skylight Blind needs. Contact us today to learn more about our Skylight Blinds and how they can improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Visit our website www.civicblinds.com.